In this session, I will be dealing about source transformation. Here, source transformation means a voltage source in series with a resistor, a voltage source in series with a resistor can be converted into an equivalent current source with a parallel resistor. This means that a voltage source in series with a resistor can be represented with a current source with a resistor in parallel. The current will be I is equal to V by R. V is the voltage and R is the resistance over here, and this R is the same. And conversely, we can represent as a current source with a parallel resistor can be converted into a voltage source with a series resistor. We will understand it better by doing a problem. Here the question is, replace the given network of the figure with a single current source and a resistor. So here in this problem, we can see a current source with a resistor in parallel and a voltage source with another resistor in parallel. A voltage source with a resistor in parallel means there is no significance of this resistor in this circuit because there is 20 volt in this region, because 20 volt resistor is connected in parallel to the 5 ohm resistor. So we can rearrange this circuit as A, B, 10 ampere and 6 ohm. There is no significance for this 5 ohm resistor because it is in parallel with a 20 volt. 20 volt is the drop across this region. Next, we have studied that a current source in a resistor in parallel can be replaced by a voltage source with a resistor in series. So we can rearrange it as this is the 20 volt. So here we have got V is equal to I into R, where I is equal to 10 and R is equal to 6 ohm. Therefore, V is equal to 60 volt and R is equal to 6 ohm. So we have rearranged the circuit like this. But the question is, replace the given network with a single current source and a resistor. So we can rearrange this circuit as we can combine together the two voltage sources and we can rearrange it as 6 ohm, and we can add these two voltages as 60 plus 20 is equal to 80 volt. Now we have to convert this to a current with a resistor in parallel using source transformation. This I is equal to V by R, V is equal to 80 volt and R is equal to 6 ohm, that is equal to 13.3 ampere, and here the resistor we can put it as 6 ohm itself. This is the answer for this question. Replace the given network with a single current source and a resistor. This is a single current source and a resistor. I will explain to you another problem, then you will understand it better. The next question is, find the voltage at the node 2 of the network shown in the figure. So we can find the voltage at node 2 using nodal analysis. But here we are going to nodal analysis or mesh analysis or anything. But here we are going to use source transformation. So here we can rearrange this circuit initially by converting this voltage source and resistor, voltage source in series with a resistor, to a current source with a resistor in parallel. So we can rearrange it as be careful while considering the direction of current and the potential of the voltage sources. Here we have 15 volt, here 50 ohm. This is the node 2. Here the current is equal to I is equal to V by R, where V is equal to 10I and R is equal to 100 ohm. Therefore, it's 0.1 I. This is the current here. Here it's 100 ohm. Here it's 100. So these two resistors we can combine together. 100 ohm in parallel will give you 50 ohm. So now we can rearrange the circuit as 15 volt, 50 ohm, 0.1 I and a 50 ohm in parallel. So now we can see this is the node 2, and here we can combine these two to form a voltage source in series with a resistor. So now we can draw it as 15 volt, 50 ohm, a resistor in series with a voltage source. Here V is equal to I into R. I is equal to 0.1 I into R is equal to 50 ohm. That is 5 I. 5 I is the voltage here. Sorry, we have to draw it as dependent sources. These all are dependent sources because it depends on the current I in the circuit. Here there is a current I. We have to draw all these as dependent sources. This is also a dependent source, and this is also a dependent source. This is dependent voltage source, and here 50 ohm. Okay, so now we have to find the voltage at this point. Okay, so now here there is a current flowing I. We can find I by the mesh equation. 15 plus minus 15 minus 50I minus 50I minus 5I is equal to 0. That is, I is equal to minus 15 by minus 105. That is equal to 0.142 ampere. So now we have to find V2. So we can consider the path, this path. So we can write V2 plus 50I is equal to 15. So V2 is equal to 15 minus 50I. This is equal to 15 minus 50 into 0.142, which is equal to 7.9 ampere. And this is the, sorry, not ampere, it's volt. 7.9 volt. This is the voltage at node 2. Hope you got the solution. You understood the solution. If you have any doubts, you can ask.